In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Miro board. If you've ever clicked around a board and wondered why a sticky note, frame or shape won't move, it's probably locked. Locking keeps layouts safe from accidental edits, but when it's time to make changes, you'll want to unlock those items quickly and confidently. I'll walk you through exactly how it works, plus a few tips to keep things tidy. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board you want to edit. Give the board a moment to fully load so all objects render and the toolbar appears. It's helpful to zoom in to the area you plan to work on, especially if multiple items overlap, so you can clearly select the right object. In Miro, you don't unlock the entire board in one go by default. Instead, you unlock the specific objects that are locked. You can spot a locked item because it won't move when you drag it, and you'll usually see a small lock indicator when it's selected. This design helps teams protect templates, headers, and frames while still letting you adjust the parts you need. To unlock an item, click the object you want to change. When it's selected, look for the context menu that floats nearby. You should see a lock icon there. Long press that lock icon to unlock the object. If you prefer, you can also right-click the object and choose Unlock from the context menu. If nothing happens, double-check that you're clicking the object itself and not an underlying frame, and make sure you have edit access on the board. View-only access won't show unlock options. Repeat that process for each locked object you want to adjust. Take your time and test movement after each unlock so you know you've targeted the correct items. If several things are locked across the canvas and you need to work freely, there's a faster route. Right-click in an empty area of the canvas, then choose Unlock All. This will unlock all locked objects on the board at once, which is great for a cleanup or rework session. Just be careful, unlocking everything can make it easier to nudge layouts by accident, so consider relocking key elements after you're done. That's it. Open your board, select the item, unlock it from the context menu, and repeat as needed, or use Unlock All when you want a clean slate. With these steps, you'll keep your boards flexible when you're editing and protected when you're presenting.